Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to check for storage and RAM on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we would need to open Settings on our phone and scroll down until you will see tab which is named Device Care. Here is it. Click on it and let's start with the storage. Click on the Storage tab and right here you'll be able to see information about the storage. For example, right here you can see the information of the storage you have at all on your phone. For example, mine is 512 gigabytes and how many you have used. I have used only 29.2 gigabytes. That means that I have still a lot of storage left. Now let's move to the RAM. For that, we will need to go back to the Device Care tab, and here you can see this tab named Memory. Also click on it, and right here you'll be able to see all of the info about RAM on your phone. On this RAM Plus tab, you'll be able to see how many RAM you have on your phone. That's 8 gigabytes, and you have used 4.4 out of 8 gigabytes. And you have 2.6 gigabytes available. Also, here you'll be able to clean up some RAM so your phone can work faster. Let's do it. And now I have successfully cleaned my RAM and my phone can work a little bit faster. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.